Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the proper Nvidia driver and the Physx system package. This gives your PC the software bridge it needs. Once done, reboot so Windows loads the new kernel modules. Make sure the target game is closed. Open Nvidia Control Panel as administrator. This is where you explicitly tell the system which processor handles Physx. These first actions eliminate software conflicts and prepare your machine to switch processing from Intel to Nvidia cleanly. You now change the Physx processor selection. In Nvidia Control Panel, go to Configure Physx and select your Nvidia GPU, then Apply. If you're on a laptop with integrated Intel graphics, make sure Windows graphics settings or your OEM power profile prefers the Nvidia GPU for the specific game. Also, open the game's own settings and set Physx to GPU or Nvidia Physx where available. This ensures both system and application route Physx calculations to the same accelerator. You finish by testing. Run a Physx heavy level and monitor GPU usage to confirm Nvidia carries Physx load. If Physx still runs on Intel or you see stutters, try a clean driver install with the checkbox for clean installation or set Physx to auto-select then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, temporarily set Physx back to CPU, reinstall the Physx system software, and update BIOS and game patches. This isolates driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.